everybody, welcome to this video on digital marketing. First of all, there is a belief that digital marketing is learning all the tools and platforms. Let me tell you clearly what comprises the major part. 30% only comprises the tools and platforms in digital marketing. We have to know what marketing is, and marketing is completely based on the content strategy. In this video, we shall discuss what is content strategy and why it is important. Content strategy is a strategy that takes your business goals and then uses content as a primary means to achieve those goals. Content is a major part to describe about your product. In the marketing framework, there are certain questions like who, what, when, why, and how. This how is a major part which denotes the content of the marketing strategy. It denotes how we are going to tell our customers about our products. There are a few important things to be discussed. Those are content creation, editing, and marketing. These are the important part of this content strategy. First of all, the content can be of any form like a poster, a table, a blog, or a video, or even an audio file, or it may take any other form of a media. Creating content is a separate subject, and this is not only the post but also the content required for the marketing. In essence, a good content strategy is often the foundation of your attract and delight stages in your buyer's journey. Along with attracting new prospects to your brand, you might also use a content strategy for sales enablement and overall customer satisfaction. The content must be prepared based on few questions like who will be reading your content, what problem you will be solving for your audience, what makes you unique, what content formats you will focus on, what channels you will publish on, how will you manage content creation and publication. So these are the questions we have to analyze and write the answers for. I repeat the questions. Who will be reading your content? What problem you will be solving for your audience? What makes you unique? What content formats will you focus on? What channels will you publish on? How will you manage content creation and publication? Once the answers are prepared based on your marketing framework, we can plan for a social media content calendar. The social media is like a sport. It is competitive. It takes consistent effort. At its best, it's a team effort. Like with any sport, social media success also requires a strategy. You need the right pieces in the right place at the right time. In other words, you need a game plan to guide your success. But how do you build a social media content strategy? Do you actually need one? Of course, yes. We have to understand why we are on the social media, and we have to describe the challenges we face and what our goals are important and how you intend to achieve them. We must have a table which contains the goals and the deadlines. And we must check which social media networks are we on. List them. Then you have to list the abandoned accounts to remove. If you have any accounts abandoned, please remove those duplicate accounts. And list all your duplicate accounts to merge. If we have multiple accounts in the same media, please merge it or you can remove the unwanted one. Next one is you can create an example of a customer persona which includes the personal name, job title, age, gender, his income level, his location, his interest and hobbies, many things, so that you can analyze your customer. Then create a social media calendar for a month to allot the post on which date, day and time to reach your audience. For this, the creatives and the content has to be planned and scheduled. And we have to keep on following the calendar. Analytics must be taken and keep track of the followers in social media. Based on the response, we can modify the creatives which gain more engagement or likes. It is called as A/B testing to experiment the social post. First, plan test A and mark the progress, and then plan B, then mark the progress. Based on the results, we can proceed with the form of content which brings more potential customers. From a survey, many people follow only FB post. Digital marketing channels are social media and search engine marketing and search engine optimization. We can classify this digital marketing as organic and inorganic. As a digital marketer, we must know both organic and inorganic marketing. By knowing this content strategy, we can do the digital marketing well. Hope this video is useful for you. Visit www.learnytech.com for more details and email us to info@learnytech.com. You can contact us for taking the course on digital marketing. Our experts will help you to learn the digital marketing with hands-on exercises. Thank you.